Make sure you like and subscribe so that you have better luck and you're a good scratcher. Before this video begins, I would like to give a quick shout out to someone who commented on my profile. Their comment should be on screen right now. So if you want to get a shout out, and like this Max Emerald 5 person did, all you have to do is comment either on a scratch video or on my profile, which is Chippy Monkey, some encouragement or some video idea for the next video after, like, so I can do it after I complete the Among Us on Scratch. And one last thing to say, let's get on with the video. And today we are continuing with Among Us on Scratch, so I'll quickly show you what we have so far. Let me just quickly hide that. And here. Let me turn the volume up. And then we have the play button, a little Among Us red character there. And yes, I signed into one of my accounts because earlier I was like using Scratch 3 offline. Now I'm using it online because I've switched to a different computer to record videos for now. Should be long lasting though. Yes, so please do not come and chase me with Super Scratches 1, 2, 3 because first of all that's not really, well, just don't chase me. And we also have the emergency button, does that, and it also hides. Report doesn't do anything. We have the computer over here, be crewmate with the use button, and be imposter with the kill and sabotage. And that's all we have so far. But I think it's pretty good, and it looks like the say username bit worked. I might have to blur that out, I'm not sure now. Or did I say it? I can't remember. I have short-term memory, I think. I tend to forget things too much. Yeah, if you try going on the tables, it'll push you back a bit. Which is like a boundary saying, don't go on the tables. It's gonna get you. See? This guy can't go on the tables. Well, he can. But say if he went on the tables, it's going to keep pushing him back. And same with the grey thing until he's actually on something he can touch, like the cafeteria floor, or touching whatever and stuff. I don't know what that is. I think we should like move the vent a bit, but I think no, actually keep it there. Okay, so the next thing that I haven't. What's this? Oh, that, yeah. Okay, so apparently now I haven't got. Now I'm using a different computer. I have different, I haven't got all my uploads basically. So now we have to go and search them. So the thing now I want to look for is the vent button. This transparent background should be, but that's not good enough. I want a transparent background. Oh, thank you also for 32 subscribers. It means a lot. And especially since I'm kind of happy as well because there was this one guy on Scratch. He came and he said that he liked my video, so that helps. That makes me feel a bit Okay, I guess. No, that's not it. That's not it. We're just gonna have to go with this one by the looks of it. Unless we can find something better, which I doubt. Nope, we have to go with this one. Hope it's worth it though. Okay, so save image as. Okay, this is new. So I want to save it as Among Us event button. And I'm going to save it in downloads. I'm just going to quickly download. Oh yes, that's good. I want to call this. And now that made my downloads folder. It's going to look nice and clean now, at least cleaner than it was last time in that other computer. Okay, so now that looks nice and clean, and I'm so used to like just swiping back and forward to the Safari. Okay, so now we're going to, let's see, upload a event button. Let's see, download, Scratch, YouTube, Among Us event button, and there it is. It's good. Okay, so now we're gonna shrink the size and just quickly hide that. I don't need that. Okay, so let's see, set size to that. Let's save that one. I'll quickly save that. Set size. Set size to 50. That might work. Better? Is it a good size? Still a bit big, so let's set size to 30. Bit tiny now, isn't it? How about 40? It's called trial and error. Trial and error. Okay, that's perfect. Set size to 40%. So when clicked, hide, set size to 40%, and also go to X 199, Y minus 138. Okay, so that looks good. And the event button is right there. Okay, now we're going to say, when I receive crewmate, forever hide. Wait, let me just get that as well. What happened? Yeah, so when I receive crewmate, forever hide. When I receive imposter, that's where it gets a bit, well, different. When I receive imposter, broadcast vent button something. Vent button, that's the message I wanted to receive in broadcast. Now we're going to go to our player, and we're going to say to him, when he receives vent button, forever, if touching vent, then we are going to broadcast another message. If touching cafe vent, not vent, cafe vent. Then broadcast vent button show. Vent button show. Then we're also going to say if not touching, so we're going to have to go into operators. If not touching cafe vent, broadcast vent button hide. Now we're going to go to our vent button. Okay, so we left off as when I receive imposter, broadcast vent button. So now we're going to say when I receive vent button show, then show, and when I receive vent button hide, then hide. So now let's save that, and now let's see what happened. So now we're gonna be nothing. It doesn't work as well. Whatever this is, does it work as a crewmate? No. Now, does it work as an imposter? Because that's the most critical bit. If it doesn't work as an imposter, then we did something wrong. It works. It works. It's good. That is really good. Okay, also, we're gonna go to the sabotage button. We're going to say when I receive vent button hide show, and when I receive vent button show, then hide. So now try that again. Does it work as a crewmate? Oh, well, as a neutral. Does it work as a crewmate? And does it work as an imposter? It works perfectly. This is exactly what I wanted. Now it looks just like, well, sort of like the real Among Us. Okay, so now we're going to go to the vent button again. And we are going to say, when this bright is clicked, broadcast imposter vent. No, not imposter, imposter. Now we're going to go to our player, and we're going to say, when I receive imposter vent, go to vent, cafe vent. No, not cafe, it's already in cafe. Go to cafe vent, hide. Say that. Now let's see what happens. Okay, it's a bit slow for some reason. Why is it not working? Right, okay, so now we're going to select the imposter option. Well, let's just see, does it work that way? Does it work that way? Does it work that way? Okay, good. Also, we're gonna go to the vent button, we're going to say we also want to broadcast another thing, and we also need and this other thing is sabotage wait. Now when I receive, now we're going to go to sabotage, and we're going to say when I receive sabotage wait, here, hide. I think that's how it should be going now. Let's try that. I'm going to select the imposter option. Okay, doesn't seem to work for some reason. Okay, I have a plan. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this, and we're going to delete all of the blocks, and this is going to be the exit vent button. Okay, so how we are going to do this is not that hard. Going to select the text. We're going to move it down, and there's a vent button thing. Well, it's detached from this text. Just move it a bit more down. And then we are going to say, we're going to add some text, and we are going to say exit vent. Does that fit in there? It does. That's good. I still kind of want it to be okay. Let me just try something. Which one is? Okay, let's see. Matic SC. Okay, so then what I want to do, I can't open Word, sadly. Okay, what can we do? Matic S. Of course, only imposters can use vents. No, you can't. Matic SC. Matic SC. Okay, we're gonna have to forget about that. Okay, I just want to change the color then at least, and then we can end the video. Actually, no. Oh, I now have a quick idea to make it look more like Among Us. Okay, so here we are going to just 0, 100, 100. Okay, so now we're going to undo what we did. We are going to make it black. Yeah, we're going to make this black. All of this text, and then we're going to get this, and we're going to get this color, and then we're going to use the outline for it to make it look more like it's Among Us. I'm terrible at outlining. Noted. Never try to outline again. What there was an outline option? Well, there is, but it didn't work, did it? We can try something. Nope, no outline option. Stuck with this if we want it to look like a mouse, which I do. Because this is not perfect. But it's the best I can do. Okay, well that's enough for this video. Let's just quickly look at that. Yeah, that's good. That's enough for this video, and I'll see you in another video then I guess. Peace.